after seeing the status of the job, particular job, then we can we want to see the DAG graph of the particular job. Then you have to go to the demo folder. How we can go to the demo folder? First you put cd dot dot, then you have to change the directory cd demo. Then if you press ls, what are all the files are available in that, it will display. After that you have to type the command oz job run if you type this command, it will show the job ID. Then you can check this by giving the browser, or you can directly go to the web browser, or you have to go to the Firefox. Then you can check that particular job status, whether it is succeeded or presently it is running. Either you can go to the web browser icon, click on that, or otherwise you type here Firefox, then that path you have to give http://quickstart.cloudera what is the port, then OC. Then it will open the browser. Then here it will display that all the jobs, active jobs, done jobs. So it will show all the, currently one job is running. So it is showing that that particular job ID and it is running. Okay. Then after that, if you have to see that status of the particular job ID, click on this. It will open the other window. There you can check the workflow information window. So here yeah, it is coming here. It will, if you click on that job ID, it will show that all the details of that particular job. So job information, job definition, job configuration, job log, and job DAG, all the details will be there. So you have to see the direct acyclic graph, that is job DAG means. If we click on that, it will show that status. So here in the next page, it is showing that start cleanup node, fork node. First initially it will be starts with the cleanup node, then fork node, the process is initiated, then streaming node and pig node, then join node, then manager node, and then decision node, and HDFS node, and end node. So here at present that particular job is running. So only the particular job is initiated and it is still in process. So the color is showing yellow in color, and here the nodes are still not joined, and manager node is not yet started its process. Similarly, decision is not taken, so it is in green in color. I told in the starting of the session there are 4 nodes are there. That is the fork node, then join node, then MR node is there, and remaining is control flow nodes. So all those things are specified here. So again you go back there, and whether you can see that status of the job. Okay, you close this, and then you go back there, whether still it is running or it is the process is over. So here still it is showing the status is running only. So if it is running, the entire DAG graph will not be turned into green in color. If all the nodes are In green in color means then we can come to know that process is completed successfully. Here all jobs means what are all the jobs are uh, previously it is executed. For example, if you have to check the complete DAG graph, whatever the process is already completed, that you can see. So click on that particular job, go to the job ID. Here start is there, manager node, end node. So this is a very simple job. So only there are three nodes. Other one is start node, another one is end node, another one is MR node. So it is not necessary that all the jobs are having all the nodes, that is fork node, join node, MR node, all the nodes. So based on the particular job, it will be, or the nodes will be, more number of nodes will be there. So here now again we'll go back and see that demo. Under the demo, the job ID, if you click, you will come to know the complete nodes. Okay. So this is also demo. So I will click on this demo which is already previously running. So start cleanup node also clean, because this process is completed. Cleanup node, fork node also is in green. Similarly, streaming node, pig node also is green. Join node is green. MR node, that means it is completed. Decision node, HDFS node, and end node. So this is it is a completed job, DAG graph. So this is given in your textbook, this DAG graph. So this is a running one. If you see that running one, not all the nodes will not be in green in color. It will take some time to change into green. So this is how you can run the OC commands.